Learn how to fold a cool origami fighter jet using just a single square sheet of paper. No scissors or glue are needed. Just one square sheet to create a sleek and impressive fighter jet. This step-by-step tutorial is suitable for both beginners and experienced origami enthusiasts. Fold along and make your own paper fighter jet. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more origami videos.